On May 26, 1979, Tom White and his friend Mel Bailey took a Piper Cherokee 6 and flew from Florida to Cuba to drop Christian literature during the communist regime. But after dropping it, they decided to head to nearby Jamaica to land. But while they were in the clouds, they ran out of fuel and had to land. They came through the clouds, found a highway to land, but after hitting a dump truck, the plane crashed onto the highway and came apart. The pilot and his passenger were okay, but once they got out, they realized they were in Cuba and were quickly arrested. They were sentenced to 24 years in prison, but only ended up being there for nearly 5 months.